So, what sets 303 stainless steel round bars apart and makes them so sought after in various industries? The 303 stainless steel round bar is a remarkable alloy with exceptional properties. It belongs to the austenitic stainless steel family and is renowned for its excellent machinability. This makes it a go-to choice for applications that require intricate shapes and precision machining. From aerospace components to medical instruments, the versatility of 303 round bars is unmatched. These bars excel in environments where corrosion resistance is crucial, thanks to the inclusion of chromium and nickel. They exhibit excellent resistance to many chemicals and atmosphere. Another standout characteristic of 303 round bars is their outstanding free machining properties. The addition of sulfur improves chip breaking capabilities during machining, resulting in smoother and more efficient operation. This feature, combined with the optimal balance of strength and ductility, makes 303 round bars highly desirable in various manufacturing processes. At O'Hare Precision Metals, we take immense pride in our expertise in 303 stainless steel round bars. With years of experience and state-of-the-art facilities, we ensure the highest quality standards for our customer. Our skilled team works diligently to provide precision machined 303 round bars tailored to your specifications. Our commitment to customer satisfaction extends beyond the product itself. We offer a wide range of added services, including custom cutting, grinding, and finishing, to meet your unique requirements. Additionally, our knowledgeable staff is always ready to provide expert guidance and support throughout your project. When it comes to superior quality 303 stainless steel round bars, O'Hare Precision Metals is your trusted partner. Contact us today to discuss your needs and experience the precision and reliability that sets us apart. Your success is our priority.